Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making creative egg boats, a fun and customizable breakfast treat. These egg-filled boats are perfect for starting your day with a tasty and hearty meal. Let's get started. Ingredients: 4 hard-boiled eggs, peeled and halved, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, carrot sticks for the sails, cucumber sticks for the sails, toothpicks. Directions: cut the hard-boiled eggs in half and carefully remove the yolks, placing them in a small mixing bowl. Mash the egg yolks with mayonnaise, mustard, salt, and pepper until smooth and creamy. Spoon the yolk mixture back into the egg white halves. Cut small triangles from the carrot and cucumber sticks to create sails. Attach the sails to toothpicks and place them into the filled eggs to resemble boats. Serve these adorable egg boats as a fun and nutritious snack for kids. Prep time: 10 minutes. Total time: 10 minutes. Kcal: 100 kcal. Servings: 4 servings. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.